Okay, so before this video starts, I want to make a quick disclaimer. So please don't send hate over Savage Wolf 180. It's just unneeded at all. She makes bad content, but she seems like a nice person. So yeah, she doesn't need hate at all. But also another disclaimer: there's echo on this video, and the reason why is cause me and my friend make video with me, Logan, um, we both didn't have headphones in, so the audio was coming on my computer, which my mic picked up, and the audio was also like coming out of like video, right, being recorded, so it made a bit of an echo. So let's try to talk through it. It won't happen next time. Third disclaimer is the outro song is by a person named Tiger Wood. Actually probably sounds pretty hilarious to you, but Tiger Wood, like E but 3 did Wood, like would you do that? He probably won't get this video like copy strike or anything, but I just want to make that announcement because I actually really like his songs. And I don't personally know him in real life, but my mom actually does, and that's how I figured out who he is. And he actually deserves a lot more credit. So yeah, that's who makes the outro song. He has an Instagram if you want to go follow that. He also has Twitter. I don't know if he has anything else, but he makes songs on Spotify, makes songs on YouTube. He has 2 music videos, one being I Just, which is the song, the outro, and I forget what the other one's called, but music video. He has just like a song on YouTube. He's actually dropping a song today when I'm editing this or recording this disclaimer. So yeah, he actually makes like really good music. He also has a album on Spotify. If you want to go check that out, it's called Heart, Mind, Soul. He also has a song on an album on SoundCloud. I forget what it's called, but it's actually pretty cool. Listen to a couple songs in there. If I was to recommend a song, if I was to recommend a song to you by Tiger Wood, I'd recommend all of them. But if you just want me to recommend 3, there's top 3. Say Private Dancer number 1, Call Me number 2, and I'd say OT number 3. Those are 3 really good songs. So yeah, enough about Tiger Wood. There's one more disclaimer I want to make. So the reason why I was talking about another video that we made on Allison Quinn, that was actually supposed to be a video that comes out before this. But the reason why I was talking about in this video is, well, basically because I actually made that video, but the first little bit, I didn't have my mic like set up to Bandicam, which sadly is what I used to record. But yeah, that's the reason why I was talking about Allison Quinn, because at the time I thought that the video was gonna come out. But yeah, I think we're gonna remake that video. It's gonna be a lot better this time because it's not gonna have echo. And yeah, that's the reason why I was talking about Allison Quinn. So yeah, pretty much don't send hate to please, yeah, just don't send hate to Savage Wolf 180. There's echo in this video because we didn't have headphones plugged in. It's coming over a computer. Outro songs by Tiger Wood. Check out songs stuff. And the reason why I was talking about Allison Quinn in another video, because I thought that was going to be a video that comes out before this. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's LB Comedy here.
L with a B.
Yes. So, pretty much today we're gonna watch Savage Wolf 180. Yesterday we watched Allison Quinn. That video we made yesterday, so you can watch that now. So, anyways, this is Savage Wolf 180. I found this channel a while ago, but never made like a video on it. So, yeah, if you go to other channels, so there's Anthony Dabox, and there's Wolf Raider, whoever those people are, and then there's Gina Flork Vlogs, and that's where most of the cringe is gonna be found. That's, like most Gold. So
was gold.
So we have like a
Daquan freestyles about his man bun.
what?
I love to watch that.
And this is like a drama alert type thumbnail.
Definitely not Keemstar.
Y'all, I got a man bun. Y'all thought I was playing?
What?
What? Sure.
Hey everyone, it's Nick 30 here,
How
and
how
welcome
that
back.
just
We
show
got
up?
Nick
I don't know.
Y'all, I got a man bun. Y'all thought I was playing? I'm dead ass serious. I got a man bun. Man bun confirmed.
Okay, she just stole Daquan's video, so we're gonna quickly flag this. Where's okay, we're reacting to its fair use. Okay, where's the flag button?
So there's
Oh.
gonna be a flag. You're gonna want to touch it, and I'll be like, hey,
Okay, report.
Flag me.
Okay, report. Report video. Promotes terrorism. Can we just put like all these?
Can we actually? No, you know, choose one. Choose one. It says right there.
Right. Well, it's not mine, so. Yeah.
Promotes terrorism.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah,
that.
let's go with that one.
I feel like we're gonna get banned for this.
Oh yeah, you are.
All cap.
Sure.
Be bad.
Should be bad boy.
Cry.
Perfect.
See, they don't
Alright.
believe me.
That's perfect.
I like how it's in all caps, so it's even better. That just video actually gets taken down. Terrorism. Okay, so most of the gold isn't on this
You just see her
channel.
channel. She goes on. What happened? Your channel has been.
Wait, yeah, we can
reported-
flag her channel. We can flag her channel.
Your channel has been flagged for terrorism.
Report violent threats.
I don't know. She wanted to buy those cameras. She buy threats with those, man.
Harassment and cyberbullying. I feel like that's what our channel's gonna get taken down for.
No.
Okay, so now we're gonna
I dyed my hair.
This where the real. Okay, so this is actually something I didn't notice until I was editing it. Actually, my friend Logan noticed this right away. So if you look close, it says I dyed my hair. So then it says right there I dyed my hair. Like I died in a hole. That's what it says. I dyed my hair. Not D-Y-E-D. D-I-E-D. Because her hair died. And she had to circle a thumbnail too for proof. Like, we believe you that you dyed your hair. Like, you cure cancer, you dye your hair. That's not spectacular. So gold is, so that's what we're gonna watch. So
My sister's in the hospital. School vlog.
today we're gonna watch Walmart vlog.
Oh yeah.
So I already showed him this. I've watched the full video, but you guys haven't watched it. So I mean,
haven't either.
Technically, it's not a reaction.
Open your eyes, a girl like me ain't waiting all night.
Like what?
Snap.
Wait tight, I got that honey and shit of that strange boy.
You're right. Go to girl like you.
What are you getting Savage Wolverine here?
Savage, hello, Savage gang. Did you hear her?
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna try to make
Wait, I want to quickly look at the comments. What are they saying? The comments.
Well, if the comments will load, that would be fucking
They
great.
shouldn't have any.
Okay, that's great. How many subscribers?
She has 45, but our other channel has like 400 subscribers, and we have like 1,000 views on our channel. She has like 3,000. She has more videos and more subscribers, and she only has like 3 times more.
not too much. I'm also probably gonna get them dumbbells because I don't have those either.
Dumbbells.
Oh wait, no, we have to bring it back because she said something hilarious.
Back with the vlogs and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to make a time today. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna be starting like a new workout.
Oh yeah. By the
thing.
way, on the way to school, I mean, no, the way to your house, I got attacked by 2 dogs.
Whoa.
Not even playing. Like dead ass. I got attacked by 2 dogs.
The stretch cord, but
Like literally 2 dogs. Is
I wanna see if I can find more stuff.
Okay.
Walmart or something. Not too much, and I'm also probably gonna get them dumbbells because I don't have those either.
Dumbbell.
Mainly why I want to work out more is because I have kids in my grade that are just jerks, and they feel like they can just pick on me because I'm not strong enough for some things.
She doesn't even know what it is.
So I think we're
I'm not.
She has a panda in a tank.
Then we're gonna watch the
Why?
maybe. I don't know.
She's a stuck panda in a tank. No, go back to that.
No, they all
I
see.
was like halfway to the electronics, so I'm like, you know what, I've got cars because
We only have 13 men.
actually try right now. So, yeah, now I'm going back over
7
to
times
the park.
ninja band players in Fortnite.
To the car with the tripod.
Yeah, that's lesson of the day.
And
Don't get banned by ninja, kids.
Lesson of the day, don't get banned by ninja.
This isn't as much gold as Allison Quinn. Like, you can't. Did you hear her? It's every day, bro.
Here's the tripods.
But she's not even gonna buy anything.
Look
She's
how.
gonna,
Look.
she's gonna scroll around the cart and not buy
Oh,
anything.
legit, this isn't even my Wi-Fi. Like, the reason why it's so bad, it's not my Wi-Fi. It's just how bad her camera is. Look, that's the top amount. It's 2040p. That's how bad her camera is. Like, I can see the pixels.
Oh, you can.
I can't even see what these things say.
Looks like we got like small action cameras and stuff.
Hashtag I love rock. Hey, that she just copyrighted I love rock and roll. Not allowed.
Not allowed. Yo, I love rock and roll.
What do they want? They
Flag
want
this
one of
channel.
these Cannons power shots. Okay, guys, so I'm having a hard time deciding what I want over here. Like, if I want to get this
Huh?
or that. I'm not really sure. Um,
7 times ninja band players in Fortnite.
on this Pac-Man,
She's gonna say something funny soon.
what is these?
What is this?
What is these? That's what I said when I found her channel.
Look at the pixels on that.
When I found her
Look at the
channel.
pixels on that.
When I found her, you know what I did when I found her channel? I said, "What is these?"
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She kicked it.
He kicks it. What is these? Garbage. Kicks it.
She's like, I don't like that.
Gamepad classic.
I don't like it's garbage. Throws it across the floor.
Yeah, I'm walking away.
She hasn't even bought anything yet.
No, like I said, she's gonna stroll off the cart and not buy anything the whole time.
I need to make a video. Should I do show run cart in Walmart, not buy anything called Walmart vlog?
I do need a new headset. Should I get a new headset?
I don't know.
Okay, so I've watched the rest of this, and actually, there's not much gold, but there is more gold than Greatest Day of My Life, so we're gonna watch that. So
If she doesn't get shot, then it's not the best.
So-
of her.
well, I'm actually gonna cut this here, because we only have that, so yeah, we're just gonna cut it here. Hey, so, when you say the greatest day of your life, what do you say it is?
Watching Savage Wolf 180.
No, but for real, when you talk greatest day of your life, what would you say?
I don't know.
Like, you know, getting born, dying,
Definitely dying.
something like that, right?
Dying was the best
You know,
part of my life.
You know, like your first Christmas or something like that. You know what her greatest day for life is?
What?
We're gonna figure that out now.
Open your eyes, a girl like me ain't waiting all night. Boy, better think twice. I got that honey, that sugar, that spice. Boy, open your eyes, a girl like me ain't waiting all
Sugar and spice.
What? What? How you start? What?
Oh, the lighting. Yo, what's going on, 180 gang? Savage Wolf 180 here. And today is a vlog.
Wait, 180 gang. Hello, LB gang.
Guys, this view is amazing. Just look at it really quick.
I love that view.
And the funny thing is, she isn't being sarcastic.
I know.
That's so cute. She says.
She thinks that's lovely. Compared to what she sees on the average, that's lovely to her.
So can have like the skyline of like LA or something.
I did too.
Alright guys, that was the view. We're gonna go eat, but first we're gonna tell you guys this very awesome
Okay.
fact.
We're gonna go eat.
Today,
You have to have a bad
I'm
camera
going
so they can't see your eye.
with my family to a Nebraska
see it, though.
football game. Now the hotel
Nebraska
that we were
football
staying
game? That would be the greatest day of my life.
Look at her face.
That's gonna be a
This is
thumbnail.
amazing. We stayed at the same hotel as the other team, guys. I'm not joking.
You know, I feel like that.
We're playing.
She stayed at the same hotel as the other NCAA football team. What? She's gonna go watch an NCAA football game. What?
How could you afford that?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Nebraska.
This is actually the first-
She has such a Nebraskan
Football
pride.
game. I'll actually be at.
Who would want to live in
college football
Nebraska?
game. I'm really excited, and yeah, I really hope I can like maybe get some of my hat autographed. You probably
Get my
not, but
titties
still.
autographed. I was thinking maybe I can get my hat autographed.
So I gotta bring a Sharpie every day. You know?
Bring a Sharpie
And,
every day.
Yeah, so here's me.
She's carrying on a
Hat,
shirt.
wait, no, she get a hat autographed by NCAA football player. Cause you know how The Rock was an NCAA football player?
Hey.
Maybe there's another Rock.
You never know when it could happen. You could always need that Sharpie because you can find someone famous walking on the side of the road. You're like, hey, I know that guy.
Maybe the next Rock.
You just Sharpie. It's
How
just Sharpie.
how'd you even know the people on the other team?
I don't know.
To the place that we're gonna go eat, I guess.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All
Could you at least time lapse?
empty town.
What a fitting
Searching
video.
for the lost
Who wants
and
to see a
found.
walk? Just like time lapse
You don't
it.
care, you're unaware.
But you actually not time lapse it.
Scars
Just
aren't
gonna like
even there. It's
No, this is like the whole 6 minutes.
seas of
Guys,
Hurts
this is actually
Donuts?
The first vlog
Look at it, it said Hurts.
I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas of
They don't.
Guys, this is actually gonna be the first vlog that's probably over 10 minutes, by the way.
That's Nebraska for
We were
you.
actually eating. I'm actually gonna give you a little tour of our hotel.
Please don't.
Yeah, we have a really small hotel, but
That's just a
This is
regular
She's living.
size.
This is where she's living.
it's right.
It's just a regular size.
She can't get a house, so she has to like.
Rent hotel rooms.
Yeah.
What'd she say though? What?
She stole that, didn't she? She fucking stole
That's
that.
me on the card. The black woman.
Basically, we have a Nebraska themed.
You see yourself sleeping in that. What are you doing in my hotel room?
Here we have the TV.
Oh, that's
This
Nebraska
is here
theme.
a
This
nice bed, but she's taking over the whole thing today. This is
Who's that?
my dad's and girlfriend's bed.
girlfriend.
Dad's in girlfriend's bed.
Girlfriend.
Look at the TV.
What?
That's
She calls his her mom my dad's girlfriend. that's when you know when your kid disowns you.
coffee machine.
Coffee machine. I looks
Oh,
like
you're
a
gonna be
TV.
there?
You just said that was a TV.
Because it probably costs money. Bathroom. Closet. This is where
I think we know what bathrooms and closets look like.
But look at these pictures.
No, only closets and bathrooms are exclusive to Nebraska.
Oh, I didn't.
Look at that one. I really like that one. That was really
What?
Wow.
That's not even Nebraska theme. It's just a picture of a girl.
That's sexy.
They probably would. And there's just so many more pictures. It's just
On the bed for no reason.
Nebraska themed room.
It's not even Nebraska themed.
Like I said, the other team stayed.
The other team stayed. Why does that kind of look like your sister a little bit?
Oh.
Her dad's girlfriend. That low-key kind of looks like your sister.
Looks like my mom.
Yeah, if your mom had like black...
What are you doing scaring my mom?
Okay, wait, just watch it. There's actually something else I noticed. Look, she doesn't care. She's like, oh, okay. That's an empty. Look, look how bad our camera is. That looks like it's just like all flat.
Exactly.
That's how bad our camera is. Dude, hiding behind the pillar, look. It's like, oh boy, I hope they don't see me. Look at all the people standing up, all stuck in. Look at this, she didn't see me.
No, she snuck in through here.
Like, she doesn't understand, it's at the end.
Okay. Well, watch it.
One plays for Blake. Number 32, Pickering out of the old Isaac Armstrong.
This is definitely her best day.
Number 2,
How random. Just cuts to this.
What is this?
10 minutes of swimming action.
What is
Alright, you want to end the games? That is the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
What
If you did,
is the
please
game?
smash the like button. And if
Okay, well, bye LB gang, that's it for the vlog. Watch my other videos and subscribe.
Subscriber, you will be silly.
Or else, we'll get Guyana Flork Vlogs or Savage Wolf 180.
If you guys don't subscribe, Barney will come to your house.
No, she will come to your house.
Yeah, she'll come to your house tomorrow. And,
Rape you.
yeah, probably.
I don't wanna come across like every other guy you've been with, so I'ma only speak that real shit. I know you feeling stressed out right now and it's a lot for you to deal with, but baby, you're a real bitch. I just want you to tell me, baby, that you want me, and I just want you to tell me, baby, that you